Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today, we're going to practice English conversations about hobbies and free time.
Talking about hobbies is a great way to get to know someone and share your interests.
Exactly. Whether you like sports, music, or reading, hobbies are fun topics to talk about.
Let's get started. Part 1. Talking about your hobbies. Hi, Jame. I'm curious. What do you like to do when you have free time?
Hi, Lisa. That's a great question. In my free time, I really enjoy playing basketball. It's a fun way to exercise and spend time with friends. How about you?
I like reading books a lot, especially mystery novels and biographies. It's relaxing to get lost in a good story. I also enjoy listening to music. It helps me unwind after a busy day.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I like pop and classical music mostly. Sometimes I listen to jazz too. How often do you play basketball?
I usually play 2 or 3 times a week. It depends on my schedule, but I try to keep active. Do you have a favorite author or book?
Yes, I love books by Agatha Christie. Her mysteries are so clever and exciting. Have you read any books recently?
I'm not a big reader, but I've been trying to read more. Last month, I finished a book about leadership. It was really interesting.
That's great. Reading is a good habit. Besides basketball, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy watching movies, especially action and comedy films. What about you? Any other hobbies besides reading and music?
I like painting sometimes. It's a fun way to be creative, even though I'm not very good at it yet.
That's awesome. Hobbies don't have to be perfect, they're about enjoying yourself.
Exactly. Do you think hobbies help us in other parts of life?
Definitely. They can reduce stress, help us meet new people, and improve our skills. What hobby would you like to try someday?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. It looks challenging, but fun.
That's a great goal. Maybe you can take lessons or watch online tutorials.
Good idea. What about you? Any new hobbies you want to try?
I'm thinking about learning how to cook new recipes. It's useful and enjoyable.
Me too. Cooking can be a hobby and a life skill. Useful phrases to talk about hobbies. In my free time, I like to. My favorite hobby is. I enjoy because it's relaxing, fun, exciting. I usually 2 or 3 times a week. I'm interested in trying. What do you like to do for fun? Have you ever tried? I'm still learning, but I enjoy it. Part 2. Asking about others' hobbies. Jame, when you meet someone new, how do you ask about their hobbies in a natural way?
Great question, Lisa. You can start by saying, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?"
Those sound easy to remember. What if I want to ask more about their hobby after they tell me?
You can ask questions like, "How long have you been doing that?" Or, "What do you like most about it?"
Good. And if someone says they like a sport or a creative activity, how do I show interest?
You can say, "That sounds fun," or, "I'd love to try that someday." It encourages them to keep talking.
Let's practice a conversation where I ask you about your hobbies.
Sure, go ahead.
Jame, I'm curious. What do you like to do when you're not working?
I enjoy playing basketball and watching movies. How about you?
I like reading books and listening to music. How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing for about 5 years now. It's a great way to stay active. What kind of books do you like?
I mostly read mystery novels. What do you like most about basketball?
I like the teamwork and the challenge. It's also fun to play with friends. What if I want to ask about someone's hobby, but I don't know the name?
You can say, I'm not familiar with that. Can you tell me more about it? Or, what does that involve?
That's helpful. How do I keep the conversation going?
Ask open questions like, why do you enjoy it? Or, what's the most exciting part? Thanks, Jame. I feel ready to ask people about their hobbies.
You're welcome, Lisa. Remember, showing genuine interest makes conversations better.
Useful phrases to ask about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? How long have you been doing that? What do you like most about it? That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more about it? I'd love to try that sometime. What got you interested in that hobby? Part 3. Making plans based on hobbies conversation. Jame, if I want to invite someone to join my hobby, how do I ask politely?
You can say, "Would you like to join me for basketball sometime?" Or, "Do you want to come to a concert with me this weekend?"
That sounds friendly and polite. What if they say no?
If someone says no, you can respond politely with, "That's okay, maybe next time," or "No problem, I understand."
Great. And how do I suggest doing something together if I'm not sure they like the hobby?
You can say, "Would you like to try it? It's really fun." Or, "If you're interested, you're welcome to join."
What if I want to say I'm busy but still want to keep the invitation open?
You can say, "I'm busy this weekend, but let's plan something for another time." Or, "Maybe we can do it next week."
Good phrases. How do I talk about plans for free time in general?
You can say, "What are your plans for the weekend?" Or, "Do you have any plans for your free time?"
And how do I say I want to spend free time doing something relaxing?
You might say, "I'm planning to relax and read a book," or "I want to watch some movies."
What if I want to invite someone but also make it casual?
You can say, "If you're free, maybe we can," or "Let me know if you want to join."
Those sound natural and polite. Thanks, Jame.
You're welcome, Lisa. Remember, being polite and clear helps make good plans with friends.
That's the end of episode 5 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope you enjoyed talking about hobbies and free time with us.
Try asking your friends about their hobbies and sharing yours.
See you next time for more everyday English conversations.
Thanks for listening.